our manufacturing customers are some of our most demanding customers. I mean, it makes sense, right? They're the lifeblood of economies where they're engaged in. They are producing a lot of data. They're consuming a lot of data. They require innovative capacity, the scalability, the agility, and the price efficiency that they've come to love and trust with AWS. Now, our manufacturing customers at the same time have said, in the context of digital sovereignty, especially within the geopolitical landscape, within changing regulatory landscapes within the EU, we need something else. We want to still build on AWS. We require all those pillars that we've come to love, but catering to the changing environmental parameters. And that is why we've gone forward and essentially reinstantiated AWS, this time regionalized to the EU. The AWS European Sovereign Cloud is operated by EU resident personnel. All technology is within the EU, all infrastructure, all software services within the EU, and the governance is completely under EU member state law with the AWS European Sovereign Cloud Limited Liability Company, GmbH. The AWS European Sovereign Cloud is not a future promise. It's live now. We launched it in January 2026, and it's ready for you to use.